Hey everyone, it's Akos here from ATechFlow. Welcome back to the channel. Today I brought you guys something really interesting for anyone who works on laptop, edit videos, studies, or even games on the go. This is the QQH Z80 portable dual monitor, a triple screen setup that turns your normal laptop into a full workstation in seconds. No drivers, no complicated setup, and no stress. So let me show you how it works, what I like it, and who is it for, and if it's worth your money or not. Let's go! So the first look and the build quality. First thing I noticed when I took this out of the box is the build quality. This is made from aluminum alloy, so it's fully metal, not cheap plastic. It feels solid, premium and very well finished. And at the same time it's ultra slim and lightweight, so it's easy to throw in your backpack if you travel, work remotely or study outside. For something with full 15.6-inch displays, it's actually very portable. Now let's speak about the design and the freestand, and this is very important. Unlike some portable monitors that clip onto your laptop screen and put pressure on it, this one is completely freestanding. It does not attach to your laptop, it does not press on your screen, and it does not damage your hinges. Instead, it sits on the desk with its own stand, so your laptop stays safe and this becomes like a mini desktop setup, let's say like this. That's a big plus for long-term use. So now let me show you the stand, because stability matters a lot when you're using a setup like this. For the best experience you want to tilt it backwards, ideally more than 60 degrees like this, and keep both screens aligned horizontally. When you do that, it becomes very stable on the desk. It doesn't wobble, it doesn't move around even when you're typing fast. So once you set up properly, it feels solid. And now let's speak about the display quality. Each side is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, so you're getting 1080p resolution, good viewing angles, nice colors and sharp text. For productivity, editing, spreadsheets, browsing and even YouTube or gaming, these look really good. Not washed out, not dull, very usable screens. And now let's talk about the setup, and this is very simple. This is true plug and play. No drivers, no software, no downloads. You just connect it with a full-featured USB-C cable and it works instantly. But this is very important. This is for Windows PC only. And your USB-C must support video output. So if you are on a Windows with a proper USB-C, you are good to go. Mac is not supported and neither is basic USB-C without display support. Now let's speak about the productivity modes and the real use. Once connected, you can use different display modes: extended mode, mirror mode, presentation mode, second screen mode. So you can have browser here, editing software here, notes or chat there. They say it can boost productivity up to 300%, and honestly, I believe it. For me, editing videos, replying to emails, checking analytics, it's way faster with 3 screens. No more Alt-Tab all day. And as you can see, you can use it like a pivot mode. So you just flip it down and use one screen and you just set up here and there you go, you have a pivot mode. Even if you want, you can make it a triangle mode. So let's say you are in the meeting and 2 people, it's not sitting beside you. One is there, another there, so you just made this triangle shape and everyone see what you want to show them. Okay, so who is it for? This is perfect if you are working remotely, studying, creating content, trading, programming or gaming on a laptop, and especially if you travel a lot. Instead of carrying a big monitor, you just bring this and instantly have a workstation anywhere. Let me quick mention the pros and the cons. Let's start with the pros. So I really like the premium metal build, ultra slim and portable, no drivers needed, stable freestanding design, great for productivity, and the dual Full HD IPS screens, it's absolutely amazing. Cons is only one thing for me, what I not like, it's not support Mac sadly, so no MacBook use. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. So overall, I'm really impressed with the QQH Z80. It's well built, easy to use, stable and genuinely useful. If you are tired of working on one small laptop screen, this is a massive upgrade. And big thanks to QQH to sending me this product over, it was a pleasure to use it, and thank you for sponsoring today's video. And for you guys, if you want to check it out for yourself, all the links will be in the description below. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. It was Akers from iTech Flow, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.